Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how you can create an animated gradient background in Webflow, so let's get started. First, clone the project that contains the example setup. Once you have it, copy the div titled Gradient BG into your own project. This will serve as the base for your animated background. Next, set the desired colors for each BG circle inside the div. These colors will determine the gradient and the overall look of your animation, so feel free to experiment with combinations that match your site's style. After that, head over to the Interactions panel. Create a new page trigger and select on Page Load, specifically when page finishes loading. This ensures your animation starts automatically as soon as the page is ready. Now it's time to set scale animations for each BG circle. Adjust the scale values and timing to create a smooth, flowing gradient effect. You can refer to the project's pre-built animations to recreate the starting point and get the same seamless motion. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.